Hello people, today I am going to show you how to use a Schott Ceran Induction cookware. This cooking top has two cooking areas, a small one and a bigger one for bigger cooking and small one for the smaller cooking. It has 7 touch buttons on the top. These are very easy to use, just you should know how they operate. So I'll introduce you to the 7 touch buttons. The first one, which is to your extreme right at the lower side of this induction cook, it's the turning on and off button. Then you have selection buttons for whenever you select the where you can actually select the induction area, which induction area you would like to use. So here you can see the smaller cookware selection, and the one which is on the top is for the larger area. Then you have a timer and a key in button. Apart from this, you have the 2 touch buttons to select the timing and the other units of heating. So please remember to use flat pans or pots. Use the smaller area when you are using the small cooking, and use the big area whenever you want to cook something big for a party or something. So let's see how to operate this. To turn on the cookware, just slightly touch the on and off button, which is on the right hand side. Then you select the cooking area. I'm going to use the small one. Here you can set the amount of heat which is generated. So let's touch again. So it starts with 5. Either you can lower it or you can increase it up to 9. And let's say you are sure about your cooking time, and you want to turn off the induction in about 10 minutes. In that case, you can use the timer to turn off the induction cooktop. For that, you have to press the key button, then the timer. So it starts with 10. Now I'm going to set it maybe to 10, and that's all. After that, you can use a cooking pan like this one. This is a small cooking pan. I'm going to heat a little bit of water. And now you see the timer shows that the induction will be on for 10 minutes and the heat is at level 8. Make sure the pot or pan which you are using is minimum 2 to 3 millimeter in thickness if it is in enamel from the bottom, and it should be around like 5 to 6 millimeter in thickness if it's made of stainless steel. That creates a good amount of heat for the food whichever you are cooking. Let's say you don't want to cook anymore. In that case, you can just simply use the turn off button and the induction will stop. Just as a small hint, when you start the button, the cooktop start button, you will hear a little sound coming from the near the induction. This is something like that indicates it's turning on, because it works on electricity, And when you turn off the induction cooktop, you would still hear the same noise for maybe a couple of minutes, and it will also show if the induction area is heated. You will see an English letter H on the left hand side screen near the cooking area selection button. Don't worry about that, it will go off as soon as the heating top is cooled. Hope you understood how to use this cooking top, and thanks for watching.